like it's raining in the park, but meantime, sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring.
We're on our way to see the pigs down this track. The next village over from where Gillian lives. Part of their family actually. Gillian just said. We're going to see the river here too.
Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south.
How many pigs have we got? Three. 3 pigs?
No, just one from here, one from there, and one from another.
And do we carry, how do we get the pig home?
They deliver it.
Float it down the river. This is a suspension bridge across this river.
The rhythm, he doesn't want to make it cry or sing. If any no guitar is all, when he gets up under the lights,
How are you? Girl. Here's a little stall on the other side of the river where we just crossed the bridge. There's a little shop here. Pretty cool place to have a shop, eh? Look at the view.
I will tread down some track, set my eyes on the wild and won't look back. I will follow where my heart goes.
Pigs, very healthy.
Venture out to the green, find a place where I can feel alive. Throw caution to me. I'll find
Bagong dawat ko?
I'll find my
Good.
Coconut.
Organic coconut.
Tuba. Or it's called tuba.
Merry Christmas. Yeah?
You like it? What's the
It's sort of like a blend of beer and wine.
Oh.
Got a little bit of beer taste.
Is it?
Got some, Cynthia?
No, thank you.
So that's the wine. Very cool. Tell them this is a beautiful village.
Guwapo din yung isa. Area.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful lang.
Guapo?
Guapo.
Guwapo.
Guapo. So how much does the pig weigh? Whoever's the closest gets $40.
Nasa mga 60.
I'll say 55.
58.
So now he's about to catch the pig, or tie it up, lasso it, put it on the tree and weigh it. It's in the bag. That's a pig in a bag. It's gonna get weighed now. Go. It's gonna be funny. This is some funny shit.
65.
Oh, 65. You got 20 pesos. He wins. He said 60. 65 kilos was the pig. 200 pesos per kilo. 13,000 pesos plus Juni is 50 because he won.
Yeah, thank you very much, brother. Thank you.
3, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Thank you so much.
And then 500 for delivery. This is for the Christmas wine and get the kids something.
Para daw sa tuba. Salamat. Thank you.
Now we're leaving the village where we got the pig. Bye village. Now we're walking back towards the bridge and the river. Go to the little shop, get some water. Okay, we just got to the shop. Now he's come past us on a bike with the pig. This is the pig for Christmas. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, pig. Down here. Hey, bro. Now this is beautiful. We come down here and wash. Cool boat here, you can go for a ride on. Little boat. Kids are swimming. People are doing their washing. Very clean water. It's all rock. Pebbles.